You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word meaning street in German. So how do you say street in German, the word for street? German pronunciation, Straße. So you could essentially replace that squiggly letter with two S's and then the S at the beginning with an SH, okay? Straße, Straße. If you cannot pronounce German perfectly, you can say it as Straße, Straße, from German pronunciation, Straße. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.